Today we are going to be doing some STEM. We are making slime today. So for this you will need some Elmer's glue. This is 4 ounces, some baking soda, some food coloring, this is optional, and contact lens solution, some measuring spoons and something to stir with, as well as a bowl and a cup. So your first step is to, depending on the quantity, you are going to pour that much glue into a cup. I'm just going to use all of this. So I'm going to pour all of this glue in this cup. Okay. So your next step is to pour 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution, okay? So the contact lens solution binds your ingredients together. So you're going to pour it in your measuring spoon. And you're going to pour it inside the glue. And then your last step is to pour some baking soda. This is half a tablespoon. Into, your cup. I'm just gonna pour the excess in here as well. Okay, so now we are going to stir everything together. Now the trick here is that you really have to stir it together for all of the ingredients to bind. Once it looks sticky like this, it's not done yet. So you're going to keep stirring, and at this point you can add your food coloring if you'd like. I'm just going to add about 3 drops. I want it to be pink. So I'm going to let it mix with the white. Oh, it turned out more orange. Okay, and you're going to keep stirring, keep stirring. And if it's too sticky, it needs a little bit more contact lens solution, but I'm just going to keep stirring because the trick is to really stir it well for it to work. Alright, and that is the final product. If your slime starts to get harder, just pop in a little bit more contact lens solution and it will be soft again. You can store it in an air-sealed container like this, and it should last for about 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, Bridge Club.